Hey guys, what's going on? Mark Bear here. So right here I have the Sawyer mini water filter. You can get these anywhere from Walmart to any outdoor store for 20 to 30 bucks. And probably get it even cheaper on Amazon. I'll put a link at the bottom. I want to show you how easy it is to purify your water. So it comes with a bag here. You can use a syringe. It comes with a syringe and you can filter the water inside here, or you got to make sure as the water gets full in here, get all that full, make sure it's a flowing stream. You don't want to have stagnant water. All of a sudden you get dysentery and shit. Alright, get that filled up there. Take this in, squeeze it right on there, and then pop that tab there, and you can actually drink right out of it. And it filters the water right through here. Super clean water. Super simple and super easy. If you rip this bag, or this bag tears, or you lose it, or for whatever reason, this end right here fits right onto the smart water bottles. So it's same size. So just a quick tip there. Alright, if you guys have any questions, if you guys have used this or any other one, let me know. Drop me a comment. And thanks for watching. Alright? I think that's it, right?